Okay, so I was doing a few more tests. Unfortunately, I blew something else. I took out the variable resistor, and it only makes sense, I guess, because as you turn the resistance down, with the lower the resistance with a certain amount of voltage, will obviously change the wattage rating of the system. And even though they're 5 watt variable carbon resistors, they still can only handle so much wattage, and should almost have a resistor in series so it won't go beyond a certain point that it will fry the variable resistor. And I should think about that and do some calculations, but I just don't have time to do it. I guess I have time, I just don't feel like doing it. But anyhow, I'm just going to show you a different effect here. Okay, so I'll turn the circuit on, and I got a lamp hooked up. It's not on full brilliance because it's only drawing 250 milliamps. And I'm not really quite sure on the voltage that it's drawing, but I want to show you something. When I disconnect the load, bring it in a little closer. When I disconnect the load, the circuit is drawing what, 375 milliamps. And when I hook the load up, it's hard to do. I'm trying to do it over the. There it goes. Oh, the circuit's drawing 250 milliamps. Now again, this is because I'm loading down the base. I'm putting more resistance on the base, which is lowering the current to the base of the transistor. So it's not negative resistance. I have no ground hooked up yet. I'm still playing with this circuit and just trying to understand it. But taking the load off, as I said before, that you need a load on this circuit. By taking the load off, then the circuit is drawing that anyway, drawing 375, and it drops as soon as you put a load back on it. Then it'll drop again. Actually, it's higher than it was. Kind of strange. But anyway, here nor there, it dropped in milliamps when the load was put on it. So it's I don't want to degrade anybody or anything, but the way it's working with my circuit is it's drawing less current on the base, which is allowing less current to flow through the collector, which is the reason why it's drawing less amperage. And that's, I guess, what I'll say about this. Everybody have a great day. Cheers.